Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. If you guys are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make raw jackfruit kebab. It is pure veg. I have been taken very small raw jackfruit. Later I'm gonna slice this into a very small pieces. Now it is done. In a vessel I have been taken this raw jackfruits. Later I am being adding this Teju Kabab masala powder. I am adding half packet of kebab powder. Later I am gonna add nearly half spoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 spoon of corn flour and nearly 1.5 spoon of chili powder. And you can add according to your taste. Now I am adding bit salt, that is nearly half spoon of salt. I'm gonna slightly mix it off. Now I'm gonna add nearly half cup of gram flour. I'm gonna mix the content well. Now in a pan I'm taking nearly 2 cup of oil and I'm gonna boil it. Once boiling is done, I'm gonna add this kebab. I made this kebab as round shape or so called as goal shape. Once it turns brown, I'm gonna remove all this. Now it is turned brown, so I'm gonna remove all this. And that's it guys, it is done. I think it's very simple and easy and it is a pure veg. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel guys. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.